Birds chirping early morning wakes me up to its new day. The soothing breeze spreading around happiness in my way.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is about birds. Every morning I wake up with the sweet sound of birds chirping around. So I thought of making a video and show you all. So let's start the video.
Himalayan bulbul is a species of songbird in the bulbul family found in Central Asia. Brahmini starling is a member of starling family of birds. It is usually seen on the plains of the Indian subcontinent. Grey tree pie is also known as Himalayan tree pie. It is a medium-sized and long-tailed member of a crow family. Common telebird is a songbird found across tropical Asia. These birds are popular for its nest made of leaves. Yellow-billed blue magpie is a passerine bird in the crow and jay family. The species ranges across the northern part of the Indian subcontinent, including the lower Himalayas. Black bulbul, also known as Himalayan black bulbul or Asian black bulbul. It is a member of bulbul family of passerine bird and it is found in South Asia from India east to southern China. Spotted dove is a common resident breeding bird across its native range on the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Cinereous tit is a species of bird in the tit family. These birds are grey in the back and white underside. The common manna or Indian manna is a member of Sternidae family native to Asia. House sparrow is a bird of sparrow family found in most part of the world. It is native to most of Europe and large part of Asia. The russet sparrow, also called tree sparrow, it is seed-eating bird with thick bill. Indian jungle crow is a species of crow family found across the Indian subcontinent, south of the Himalayas. It is very common and easily differentiated from house crow, which has a grey neck. The birds sing each morning as they know they have another day to live. Life and mornings are a gift. Learn to enjoy them as the birds do.
So friends, I'm ending with this. If you like my video, let me know in my comment section. And if you are new to my channel, click on subscribe button.